Came across an ASO file in a Flash project and wondering what it does? These compiled bytecode files power ActionScript execution in older Flash applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle ActionScript object files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents, even when the ASO format fails. More on this later. An ASO file stores a sequence of recorded commands and edits in Adobe Photoshop, known as an action set. Users create or download these files to automate repetitive tasks, apply complex effects with a single click, and streamline their workflow. The primary user intent is to install and use these pre-made actions. The ASO format is a proprietary binary container that serializes a series of Photoshop commands, tool settings, and parameters. This structure allows for the efficient storage and playback of complex workflows. Its binary nature protects the integrity of the action sequence and prevents easy manual tampering outside of Photoshop. Most installations default to associating Adobe Photoshop from Adobe Systems Incorporated with ASO. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows provides minimal insight into plugin behavior, so they should only be used with trusted tools. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your ASO file and choose Open With. If Adobe Photoshop is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the ASO file opens. If the ASO file won't budge, stay calm. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the ASO file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, letting Flash manage. Adobe Flash and Animate automatically generate and manage ASO files in the project's cache directory. No manual intervention is required for normal compilation. Deleting ASO files forces a full recompile from source AS files, producing fresh bytecode caches without affecting final SWF output. Next, cleaning the cache. Force regeneration of ASO files by deleting them from the project's ASO cache folder. When ActionScript compilation produces unexpected errors. This troubleshooting step resolves stale bytecode issues by triggering Flash to recompile all classes from current source code on next build. Finally, inspecting bytecode. Use a SWF decompiler, like JPEG's Free Flash Decompiler, to examine ActionScript bytecode contained in ASO files. The decompiler reconstructs readable ActionScript source from bytecode, aiding analysis of legacy Flash applications when original source code is unavailable for review. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.